Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tiff Leezy Fosheezy is in the heezy, not having a good time because he just lost some bets.
Why won't AMC tank, man?
Bro, you just can't go against the grain, right? But the question here is AMC to the moon? When Lambo? Your brother texted me earlier and he was like, my two loves, AMC and Bitcoin. And I said, you deserve an extra Lambo.
You get two Lambos now.
You get two Lambos now, bro. You get two Lambos now. But, you know, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about a whole lot of things. We're super excited. As we said yesterday, AMC earnings will kind of set the tone for the growth stocks that are coming. And we'll get to the nitty gritty of that in a bit. But before we move forward, remember, guys, that this episode, or Daddy Bits in general, is sponsored by Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you don't know what a VWAP is,
what's a VWAP? You tell me, what's a VWAP?
All right, let's rephrase this. If you don't know the meaning of VWAP, maybe you should stop and go to bustdowninvestments.com. I tried that one. Yeah, I tried that. It's not a very moist bit. Let's just say it's not that. A VWAP is an indicator that tells you the volume weight of the volume weighted average price for a stock, depending on where it's trading currently. So don't get it.
You really think these people are listening to you?
I don't know. I don't know if people are listening to me.
What are we talking about today?
At this point, I'm catering to the two listeners or the two viewers that we get every day.
And one of them me.
See, there you go. So I'm only catering to me at this point because I'm the other viewer.
Happy 1 year, by the way, brother.
I know. Happy 1 year. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs down, because if you gave us a thumbs down, John,
your mama from the streets.
Your mama's from the streets, right? Drop down in the comment section below the stocks that you want us to cover on the next episode. Or you know what, John, just drop it down in the comment section below the stock that you want to cover. I don't know why I keep saying that. Nobody's watching this shit. Anyways, let's get to it after this intro. All right. Well, let's take a look at member games. I'm just kidding. I know we have a handful of very solid viewers, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Those viewers have actually turned into family for us, which is amazing. It's just,
and they're making bank, by the way.
They are making bank. They're making bank. Let's take a look at their bank, actually. First things first, some member games. Matt, 154 early, and then 650 with a double with a comeback. Comeback.
He's double dipping.
I know. Take a double dip. We have Curtis with 681. We have Ruel with 109. And that's the more notable ones. It's fairly quiet today. I think a lot of people are in swings, right? And they're not trying to show their unrealized gains yet.
What's up with people swinging AMC, man? Like, what's going on over here?
All right, so let me bring an analogy for you. Let me give you an analogy. You know why people swing AMC?
Oh.
Right? So what happens is when you are an ape, and when you are trying to transport yourself from tree to tree, right? So what happens when you're transporting yourself from tree to tree? You're doing what, John? As an ape, what do you do?
You're swinging.
There you go. You swing. So what you do when you're an ape, you swing AMC. Ooga booga, my friends. Ooga booga.
Someday.
Someday it's gonna dump, and this is just the reality of things, right? Someday it's gonna get back to like previous levels,
like 4.
No, like 4 million. But anyways, let's get. So for those
We're
who are
about to
new,
have one less viewer here.
I know you're about to. For those who don't know, we've been going at this for the past 4 months now. John,
No,
John and I.
more, I think. It's
Well,
been
have we?
yeah.
John has a very, very bad relationship with this stock. Horrible. He hates this stock with a passion.
Hate it, man.
He hates this as much as he hates Chewy. Do you hate
Nah,
Chewy?
Chew is
or
worse,
AMC
man.
more?
Chew is worse.
Chewy's
AMC
worse.
comes in second.
All right, AMC comes in a very, very close second, and John's hated this stock for the longest time because
Yeah, man. Because I saw everyone make like bands while I made like change.
But green is green, my friend.
Don't matter.
Green is green. AMC did report earnings today. I mean, it was a very, very sad trading day. And I want to say very sad trading day. I mean, we're below the EMA 9. It kind of got rejected below the EMA 9 for the day.
I got the earnings report here right here. Let's talk about it real quick. So EPS for AMC, obviously they're not profitable as of right now because they're still reopening. So they had a minus 0.71 versus minus 0.91 expected. So they actually did better than expected. Revenue topped at 444 million versus 341 million. So they beat it by 100 million versus estimate. Okay. And some notable news. Okay. AMC is thinking about, well, did they say that they're going to accept Bitcoin or cryptocurrency towards the end of the year?
Yeah, that's what Adam Aaron says. He wants to start taking Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Can you imagine? Paying theater prices for a bucket of popcorn? That's going to cost you 8 Bitcoin.
At the end of the year. and then on top of that, some more notable news about AMC. They're going to look into dividend payouts, towards next year. So for the folks who are new here, okay, AMC used to pay out dividends. Okay, did you know this? If you don't know, take a look at Bust Down Investments. What the dividend payouts and what dividends are and whatnot. So, anyways, other notables for AMC. Well, there's no other notables, but it didn't crash. After hours, and it's still holding.
It's holding these levels. So we might see a little bit more of a pop tomorrow from a technical standpoint. I'm liking it from a technical analysis standpoint. Let's take a look at the daily here. We've been trading. Good. Yeah, the daily looks nice. We've been trading around this channel for a while now. Yeah, the true test is around $47, and we have 3 resistances to the upside. If this holds true, we're probably going to open up right around here tomorrow, above the EMA 9, and we'll see where it goes. If we see a nice pop and it runs to the upside, the next level of next price target you should be looking at is 37.31, and then if it breaks those 2 resistances and it ultimately goes to the upside, I think where the next one is $47.07. But I would be cautious. We've seen a bull trap on AMC before.
Yeah.
Also, why is there a dividend payout right here showing up on my chart?
No, that's the earnings.
No, that's not earnings, bro. Look at that. It says dividend.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. 5 cents.
Oh.
Is that something?
I don't know. That's
maybe that's just a fluke, because if we zoom out, there's no. Oh, hold up. That might. I don't know. I don't know if that's a fluke, but there's a dividend.
No, there's no dividend payouts, guys. Again, if you don't know what dividend is, go on Bust Down Investments.
Yeah, go to bustdowninvestments.com if you guys want to know what a dividend. Hey, if they ever reinstitute the dividend, would you go long on AMC?
Hell no.
Oh. I thought that would be like. I thought that would have been like the thing that brings you back into the fold.
No, what's wrong with you, man?
I don't know. I'm just trying to come up with different scenarios in my head where you could join the nation.
I don't believe in this concept. Like you can stream movies, you can do whatever you want in the comfort of your home now.
That's true. You don't have to pay $78 for a bucket of popcorn with extra butter.
Yeah.
Extra butter.
Or that. You can have butter. You can have popcorn at home too. I mean, you can have everything. You don't have to pay $9 for soda.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'd rather pay $1 for my soda. The next stock that we want to talk about is Palantir. Oh man, John, this got me excited today.
Oh, dude, the chart looks good, man. Look at the daily. I mean, it ended at the it topped at the 50, but there's more to it.
There's more to this. And as you see, this is a fat volume spike. Lots of buying here. What's the total volume today? 35 million.
About 35 million. So it's actually above at more than above average. So
yeah, 35 million. After hours, we're looking at a nice. I mean, it's still, it ran after hours, and it's piercing that $23 mark. That's what it keeps retesting, right?
Yeah.
And if we're gonna take a look at the daily again, that is, we've already broken the latest highs in this channel of 22.91, and then this is the $3 mark is really where it wants to break off, right? And it broke through different resistances, the EMA 9 and the EMA 20. We're seeing that the EMA 9 is trying to cross over the 20. Ultimately, that's what's going to happen.
Yep.
Again, on this channel, that tomorrow. Right? I see that tomorrow too. On this channel, we advise playing anything through earnings, but this is Palantir. This is a long-term hold. Anything could happen. This is a long-term hold for me. If you are in, a word of advice for those who bought deep out of the money calls for Palantir, protect, like, if you really do believe in this company and you're trying to build a position for the long term, I would reposition your calls to something closer to the money. That is that would secure any potential gamma squeeze that you could see. Remember what a gamma squeeze is. For those who don't know, go to bustdowninvestments.com and we'll teach you guys what a gamma squeeze is. But when a gamma squeeze is if the retail investors buy so much out the money calls, the market makers are now required to buy the underlying stock that creates a melt up in price. All right. So that's something to take note of. But if you're scared that it's not going to reach your OTM calls, a lot of people are doing 35s, 37s, 30 is the max for me. I would get something closer to the money to get some of that gamma.
35? Jesus Christ.
35s, to be honest with you guys, if you guys are looking at the 35 strike price,
I would look at 2023.
Yeah, exactly. Give yourself some time, because Palantir is a stock that will potentially 5 to 10x in the next decade, and that's something that you want to build positioning in, and rather than playing YOLO calls, it's just not going to be working out for you, I feel.
Yeah.
And then the last stock that we want to cover is Moderna. God, John, I hate Moderna so much because it runs right when it misses my fill. Why? Why is this like this?
Why are we even? Why? How is this running?
Like, what in the hell is going on with Moderna?
Damn, this one's gonna drop soon, man. I don't want to say soon, but it's rocketing.
Dude, like, it's above. It's so overbought.
It's so overbought. Yep.
Yeah, way overbought. We're seeing here, I mean, there's more COVID cases, obviously. Get vaccinated, folks. And let's see here. There was a lot of news saying that something about the Swiss are now letting their teens, 12 to 17-year-olds, get vaccinated. There's another Australian report here. Moderna secures provisional registration for COVID-19 vaccine in Australia. So more production for Moderna, more sales, obviously, and people are pricing this in. But at some point, this has to drop, dude.
Why are they talking about Moderna? Why aren't they talking about Pfizer?
What is going on with PFE anyways? Nothing.
Oh, no, Pfizer ran, man.
Pfizer ran today.
Yeah.
I mean, 91 cents, but not as crazy as Moderna. See?
Yeah.
Pfizer and Moderna are ready to get shorted, in my opinion. I would be careful, though. I mean, we've seen this. We got, like, right here. This is the day that I got trapped in Moderna once.
Which one? 2 sessions ago?
Yeah, like 3 to 4 sessions ago. I thought it was going to go run, and I just took a $100 haircut on it. And it ran afterwards. I don't like it.
If you guys believe that Moderna is going to run some more, shoot it on the comment below. Let us know what you think about it, what you see, because what we see is completely different.
Yeah, what we're seeing here is a good short opportunity, and it's just
coming soon.
I don't know. It's coming soon. It's like a bad movie trailer.
Coming soon in theaters near you.
Coming soon in an AMC theater near you. I'm telling you, if it ever hits 78,000. No, I'm just kidding. It's not. Let's be realistic here. AMC has another pop. I feel it's not going to get to the 77, so it's probably going to get to like 48, 50 at the most. Make sure you guys protect your profits there, right? Again, not financial advice. These are stocks that John and I take a look at to see if we could find value and we could potentially make some gains off of them. If you guys are following our trades, manage your risk accordingly. And if you guys want some money, give us a shout out. If you guys lose some money, it's not like we didn't warn you guys, right? But that is pretty much it for Daddy Bits. John, do you have any other notable trades that you're looking at for tomorrow?
No, not really. Just we're looking at NEO by Thursday. So keep an eye on NEO. There might be a run up because EVs did well today. Fisker, Tesla, and NEO did well today. So
they did. They definitely did. All right, so that's pretty much it for Daddy Bits. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you guys want to learn how to trade, you're a new trader, don't know where to start, or if you're already a seasoned vet and just want to join an active community of retail traders that have your best interest in mind, that lift your wins up, also help you out when you're experiencing some turbulent times. We have a lot of fun over at bustdowninvestments.com, so make sure that you guys join us. With that being said, follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch, and let's get trading. And remember, guys, the charts do not lie.
Yeah.